What are you looking for? Is it dirty? It is. Oh, it is a little dirty. Well, we can wash it. Okay. Where did Daddy go? Is he at the office? Yes, he is. What did you want to play with?
The iPod.
The iPod? Okay, can you show everybody how you play the iPod? Are you excited? Look, you can play the piano, okay? You gotta only touch the keys, remember? Oh, that's beautiful! Good girl.